Welcome to today's Daily Report Market Analysis videos with me, Richard Perry, Market Analyst at Hantec on Monday 19th of October. Let's look at markets today, and we've seen a positive aspect of risk today. Equity markets rebounding after falling pretty disappointingly actually on Friday. Let me show you S&P 500, how it closed. Made gains throughout the session, then just fell sharply actually into the close to close basically flat on the day, but futures are ticking higher today, and that's helped to drag European markets today. We've seen over the weekend that Nancy Pelosi, the Democrat leader in the House of Representatives, said that they got 48 hours to come to an agreement on fiscal support, and the market's taken that positively actually. And subsequently, we've seen the recovery in risk, and we've seen that the classic safe havens, the dollar and the yen, are struggling today, and we can see that dollar index has pulled back lower again. That has come with also the Kiwi and the Aussie higher. Kiwi had a resounding victory for Jacinda Ardern, the incumbent Prime Minister, in their elections over the weekend, so that was seen as supportive for the Kiwi. Also, we've seen sterling supported today, 95 pips up on the day on cable. Sterling supported, even though you had comments from Boris Johnson on Friday pretty much playing hardball over the Brexit trade deal, but the suggestions are that they could reopen a bit of UK legislation that called the Internal Market Bill, which could make it easier for them to pass legislation or come to an agreement, I should say, with regards to the EU trade deal. So some hints of light there, and we've seen that cable's rebounded back to 130, big figure. But broadly speaking, dollar negative, and that pretty much comes with risk positive markets there. Now today there's no data, but we are looking for Fed Chair Powell, Christine Lagarde, ECB and Federal Reserve Chairman, ECB leader and Federal Reserve Chairman, both speaking today, so we'll watch out for that. Also Vice Fed Chair Richard Clarida. So quite a lot of central bank watch to look out for. Now, my chart of the day is FTSE 100. Now, what we've seen on FTSE 100, I mean, I in my morning report note, I sort of said that Wall Street was still looking strong. The DAX is basically in a trading range, but you can see that this downtrend channel that we've had ever since it sort of rallied to that June high of 65.10, it's sort of fallen over and formed this downtrend channel, lower highs, lower lows, and consistently underwhelming. I think you look at the RSI faltering consistently underneath 60, 55 to 60 area. And that again sort of hints towards negative configuration and selling into strength. Generally speaking, you're seeing quite a shallow trend lower though, so it would suggest that the market is still pretty bit negative on FTSE, certainly given the fact that Wall Street is gaining so significantly or has done, and FTSE hasn't really seen anything of that. You've got this again, this new sharper trend potential here, coming in around the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, 59.64. That resistance from a couple of weeks ago, 60.40. That trend line currently sits around 6,000. So anything in that sort of band there that falls over again, and already we've seen this morning 69.60, the market just falling underneath that, and it's just incredible that the underperformance and the underwhelming aspect to FTSE 100 is just remarkable, and it's certainly got big roots in the Brexit factor, in that a Brexit deal would be sterling positive, but does that actually help FTSE? Well, certainly given the fact that 70% of UK revenues are abroad, that does not necessarily help FTSE 100. So yeah, but just be careful of that. Playing FTSE at the moment is a really difficult one, and it sort of would suggest that we're still edging towards a retest of 57.70, even though we had that strong pickup on Friday. You'd be selling into strength given the number of times you've got these lower highs and lower lows of recent months. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today. Click here to subscribe to our analysis videos. Go to our website to sign up for our webinars, and click to watch Trader Talks, our videos that give you top trading ideas.